Hello friends, today we are going to see a dynamic programming concept which is named as coin change problem. So what is a coin change problem? Suppose you are given a set of coins of denomination 0, 1 and 2 and you want to make a total of 3. So the problem is that how many number of ways are there to make a total of 3 by using coins of denomination 0, 1 and 2. Such a problem is called as coin change problem. And note that an infinite supply of these coins is available. Now let's see the matrix. This memoization matrix for dynamic programming. First just read this matrix. Suppose this cell. So this cell represents the number of ways to make a total of 3 by using coins of denomination 0, 1 and 2. So by using coins of denomination 0, 1, 2 to make a total of 3, the number of ways are present in this cell. So the number of ways are 2. So this is the way to read this matrix. And another example, suppose this cell. So the number of ways to make a total of 3 by using coins of denomination 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The number of ways are 3. This is the way to read this matrix. Now let's fill these blank cells. Now for filling these blank cells, here are some rules. The first rule is exclude the new coin, second is include the new coin, and the third is add the number of ways from first method and second step. So here is the question, what is a new coin? What is a new coin? So I will explain you with this cell. See, this blank cell represents the number of ways to make a total of 5 by using coins of denominations 0, 1 and 2. So by using coins of denomination 0, 1 and 2, the number of ways to make 5 is represented by this cell. Observe that the above cell, this cell has the answer of number of ways to make a total of 5 by using coins of denomination 0 and 1. So we have the answer for making total of 5 by using coins of denomination 0 and 1. So what is the additional coin here? The coin of denomination 2 is the additional coin. See here, when we come in this cell, the additional coin is the coin of denomination 2. And we have the answer up to coin of denomination 1 to make the total 5. So this new coin, first we have to exclude this new coin. And in the second step, we have to include this new coin and we have to find the number of ways. Let's see how to do this. When we exclude the new coin, obviously the number of ways is present in the above cell. So we just copy that here. See, when we exclude, here I will tell you, suppose we exclude this coin of denomination 2, we have excluded this, then the number of ways to make a total of 5 by using coin of denomination 0 and 1 is present here. Coin of denomination 0 and 1 to make total 5, the number of ways are 1. So here is 1. Now the second step, include the new coin. Now we have to include this new coin. So we will include this coin in the set, and if we use this coin, see here, then if we use the coin of denomination 2, then the remaining amount to make a total of 5 is 3. So the problem drills down to form a total of 3 by using coins of denomination 0, 1 and 2. I will tell you again. Now we are going to include this new coin of denomination 2. Then if we use this coin in the addition, then the remaining amount to make a total of 5 is this 3. 3 is the remaining amount. So the problem drills down to make a total of 3 by using coins 0, 1 and 2. So here by using coins 0, 1 and 2 to make a total of 3, yes, this is, we need the number of ways are equal to 2. So I write it here. See, 1 is the number of ways by excluding the coin, and this is the number of ways by including the coin. And the third step says that add them. So I will add them. So the step is first exclude the new coin, then include the new coin and add the number of ways. Now let's go ahead. For this cell, see, the number of ways by excluding the new coin 3 are equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Here I have to tell one shortcut that the value of the number of ways by excluding the new coin is always the above cell value. Means if we are calculating the value for this cell, then the value for excluding the coin is always the value in the cell above this cell. So this value 1 plus 2 is 3. So we just directly copy this value here and plus now including this coin. So if we include this coin, so by using coins 0, 1, 2, 3, we have to form 5. Now when we include this coin 3, if we use this coin 3, then the remaining amount to make the total equal to 5 is 2. So the problem drills down to form 2 by using coins of denomination 0, 1, 2 and 3. So let's check what is the value by using coins 0, 1, 2 and 3 to make a total of 2. The value is here. So I write this value here. Now observe, there is another shortcut. Always subtract the new coin denomination from the total. So if we subtract, what is there? 5 minus 3 is 2. So that value is always the remaining amount which we have to form. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Then you have to go in the same row to the second column. Because 5 minus 3 is 2, our answer is 2. So we are going into the second column in the same row, and we will take this value and just copy this value here. In the next cell you will understand it better. I will use both shortcuts. Now see, 5, to make 5 by using coins 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the new coin, so exclude this coin. So we have to copy this above value here, 5 plus for inclusion. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. So the remaining amount is 1 which we have to form. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have to go in the same row in the first column. And we have to copy this value here. That is 1. This is the way how we can write the program. Now for this cell, copy this value 6 plus 5 minus 5 is 0. So in the same row, go to the 0th column and take this value here. So this value is by excluding the new coin, which is the above value, and this value is by including the new coin, which is in the 0th column in the same row, because 5 minus 5 is 0. Yes, this is the way we fill this matrix. For your better understanding, let's fill all these values. Check here. So these are the coins and these are the coins and these are the totals. So to form amount 0 by using coin 0, how many number of ways? Yes, there is one way, that we use that coin of denomination 0. See, this is a hypothetical condition. This is the base condition for our program. Now by using coin of denomination 0, in how many ways we can make 1? Yes, we cannot make 1 by using coin of denomination 0. So there are 0 ways. Similarly, we cannot make 2, we cannot make 3, we cannot make 4, and we cannot make 5. Now by using coins of denomination 0 and 1, in how many ways we can make 0? See, here is one rule. Here is one shortcut rule. If the row value is greater than the column value, then just copy the value from the above cell. Means, see, here the row value is 1 and the column value is 0. As 1 is greater than 0, just copy the value from above cell. Now we will go ahead. 1 is equal to 1. So we cannot copy the value from the above cell. We have to use these rules. So check. For using these rules, as you know the shortcut, if we exclude the new coin, just take this value, that is 0. And if we include the new coin, then subtract the row value from the column value. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So in the same row, go to the 0th column. So this is the 0th column and copy this one here. Yes, this is the way. Now here is in the row there is 1 and in the column there is 2. Take the value from above cell. This is for excluding the new coin. And now 2 minus 1 is 1. So in the same row, go to the first column. So this is the value. So I copy this 1 here. 0 plus 1 is 1. Again copy this 0 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. So in the same row, go to the second column, is 1. Now again this 0 is copied, plus 4 minus 1 is 3, go to the third column, so that is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And similarly here 0 plus the fourth column is 1. Now the important cells are starting. See, 2 is greater than 0, copy 1. 2 is greater than 1, copy this 0 plus 1 is 1, copy the value from above cell. 2 is equal to 2. Now we have to use these rules. So 2 is equal to 2. So for excluding the coin, just copy the value from above cell, plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So in the same row, go to the 0th column and take this value. So I have taken that value. Now again for this row, 0 plus 1 is 1, plus 3 minus 2 is 1. So go to the first column and take this one here. Yes. Now for 4, copy the value from above cell, plus 4 minus 2 is 2. So in the same row, go to the second column, and take this value here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So I have taken this 2 here. Now for forming 5, 0 plus 1 is 1, plus 5 minus 2 is 3. So in the same row, go to the third column. So this is the third column. 1 plus 1 is 2. And copy the value from the third column to here. Let's do it fast now. 3 is greater than 0. So just copy the value. 3 is greater than 1. So just copy the value. When the row value is greater than the column value, then you don't need to add anything. Just copy the value from above cell, because the denomination 3 is greater than 1. So that coin will not make any effect to make 1 by using the coin of denomination 3. Obviously it will not make any effect. So again 3 is greater than 2, copy the value from above cell. Now 3 is equal to 3. So here is the thing. So by excluding the new coin, 1 plus 1 is 2. This value I have copied here. And by including the new coin, 3 minus 3 is 0. So in the same row, go to the 0th column and copy this value. Now for 4, 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So in the same row, go to the first column and copy this 1. For 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 minus 3 is 2. So in the same row, go to the second column and just copy this 2 here. Now 4 is greater than 0, just copy value from above cell. 4 is greater than 1, copy value from above cell. 4 is greater than 2, copy value from above cell. 4 is greater than 3, copy the value from above cell. 4 is equal to 4. Now we have to use the rules. So for excluding the new coin is 3 plus 1, 4. And for including the new coin is 4 minus 4 is 0. So in the same row, go to the 0th column and take this value here. That is 1. So to make 5, take the value from above cell. That is 5 plus 5 minus 4 is 1. So in the same row, go to the first column and take this value. 1 comes here. Now next row, 5 is greater than 0. So copy the value from above cell. 5 is greater than 1. Copy the value from above cell. 5 is greater than 2. Copy the value from above cell. 5 is greater than 3. Copy the value from above cell. 5 is greater than 4. Copy the value from above. Copy the value from above cell. And now 5 is equal to 5. So we have to use the rule. So for excluding the coin, the above cell value is 6. And for including the coin, 5 minus 5 is 0. So in the same row, go to the 0th column and take that value. That value is 1, which I have taken. So our answer is 7. This means this cell, we can form total 5 by using coins of denominations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 7 ways. This is the meaning of this problem, of this matrix. This is the memoization matrix. So this is how we solve this coin change problem. And now we will see the program. So here is the program now. These are the two for loops for this matrix. I traces the row and j traces the column. I goes up to the number of coins and j goes up to the total which we have to make. Inside the for loops, here is the condition I equal to 0, j equal to 0. This means the base condition, the hypothetical condition. So this cell value we have to set it to 1. Then in the else part, this is the condition if I is greater than j. So as I have told you, if the row value is greater than the column value, so for example here 3 is greater than 1, so we have to just copy the value from above cell. We should not add anything, we just copy the value from the above cell, because 3 doesn't have any effect on formation of 1, because 3 is greater than 1. So I have just copied the value from the above cell to the current cell. T is our matrix. Else, now the main condition excluding the coin and including the coin, else T of ij is, see, excluding the coin, you just take the value from the above cell. So for example here, you take the value from above cell. So above cell is T of I minus 1 and the same column. And for including the coin, as you remember, you have to subtract the coin value from the total, 5 minus 2. This means j minus I. You have to go to the j minus ith column in the same row, which is done here. Same row, that is I, and j minus ith column. This is for including the new coin, and this is for excluding the new coin, and then we add them. This is the addition of both. So this is how we write the program for coin change problem. You can get the full code on my link, that is GitHub, that is a GitHub link, github.com/Vivekananda, that is my name, Vivekananda 44. Check this link and take the code, and you can use this code for your work. Thank you. Hey friends, please subscribe to my channel as I post algorithm videos every day. And if you want a video on any particular topic, then please mention in the comment below. Thank you.